In this video, you will learn how to reconnect your Instagram accounts. From time to time, Instagram will make updates and you will need to reconnect your account again. So edit, you can come here. We can see our connected accounts, but it doesn't look like anything is wrong. That's because this isn't the place that we need to do this. We need to go out of the website and back into our settings. So exit, come down to settings, third-party tools, connected accounts, and we can see here that these two accounts have been disabled. So we need to re-authenticate. You want to make sure that you're currently logged into the account that you want to connect to. You can see here, this is our account. So what I'll do is I'll open a new tab, go to Instagram, log out of my account. Once I'm logged in, I'll go back to that pop-up, refresh the page, and now I can see I have the account that I wish to connect to, allow, and once that's done, the tab will disappear, and I now can see that this account is connected. As we have two accounts attached to this website, I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing, but logging into the barbers page. Once done, exit out, head back down to where your Instagram is on your website, and you're done.